In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enter discount codes on Gumroad using a simple and effective method. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will help you create and apply discounts to your products in no time. Start by logging into your Gumroad account. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the settings option and click on it. Inside, you'll see a section labeled Checkout. This is where you'll manage everything related to your customer's purchasing experience. Go ahead and click on Checkout and then select Discounts from the menu. Here you will see an option to create a new discount. Click on New Discount to start setting it up. The first thing you'll do is give your discount a name. Make it descriptive, something that helps you remember the campaign or sale. For example, Spring Sale 25 or Holiday Pro. Next, create the actual discount code your customers will use. This could be a catchy phrase, your brand name, or anything easy to remember. After that, choose which products the discount applies to. You can select a specific product or apply it across all your listings. It's entirely up to you. Now, enter your discount percentage. Decide on a rate that's appealing to customers but still keeps your profit in check. Once everything looks good, click Add Discount to save your settings. And that's it. Your new discount code is live and ready for customers to use at checkout. It's that simple to boost your sales and attract more buyers on Gumroad. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Gumroad.